stop scrolling and look closely at the video on your screen right now. This was not generated by OpenAI's Sora. It wasn't made by Kling, and it completely destroys the output of Seedance 2.0. What you are looking at is a heavily guarded, hyper-realistic AI model that just secretly took the absolute #1 spot on the artificial analysis video arena. It is called Happy Horse 1.0. The physics, the motion consistency, and the cinematic lighting are arguably the best in the entire industry right now. But here is the real game changer. It features native audio and perfect lip syncing built directly into the generation. You don't need multiple tools anymore. It renders the visual and syncs the audio in one single flawless pass. But there is a massive catch. Because this AI is so incredibly advanced, the creators have gate-kept it behind a brutal paywall. They give you a tiny taste and then immediately lock you out, demanding a monthly subscription. But today, I'm going to expose a completely hidden, 100% working workaround to get unlimited, watermark-free access to Happy Horse 1.0 without spending a single penny. Before I show you the exact screen recording, listen to me very carefully. AI developers absolutely hate exploits like this. A bypass this powerful will not stay open forever. The moment they notice a server load spiking, they will patch this loophole. So if you're watching this video weeks or months from now and the trick isn't working, you are simply too late to the party. Do not complain in the comments. You need to exploit this right now, today, while it is fully operational. Do not skip a single second of this video, because if you miss one step, the loop breaks. Let's hack the system. First, let me show you the trap that 99% of regular users fall into. When you go to the official Happy Horse website, it looks incredibly inviting. In the top right corner, you will see a button that says sign in to get 66 free credits. You click it, you link your Google account, and you're in. It feels like you just got a premium tool for free. Let's test their system. I'm heading to the Generate Video dashboard. We're going to set the resolution to a crisp 720p, the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and we're going to drag the video length slider all the way to 9 seconds. To generate this 9-second clip, the platform requires 65 credits. Thanks to a first-time user discount, this fits our balance perfectly. Let's give it a highly complex prompt to see if it actually beats Seedance 2.0. I am typing a cinematic, continuous 9-second tracking shot of a futuristic cyberpunk street scene at night. Bright neon signs reflecting on the wet pavement. A mysterious figure wearing a glowing high-tech jacket walks away from the camera through dense volumetric fog. Ultra-realistic 8K resolution, smooth motion. We hit generate, and just look at this output. The volumetric lighting, the crisp reflections on the wet ground, the absolute stability of the subject as the camera moves. It is breathtaking. But now, look at our credit balance in the corner. We have exactly 1 credit left. The free ride is instantly over. You can't generate anything else. Creating endless new Google accounts to bypass this is exhausting, frustrating, and a massive waste of time. This is exactly where we flip the script. We are leaving the official site entirely. Instead, we are going to use an incredibly powerful AI aggregator platform called WayinVideo. This platform hosts multiple top-tier AI models under one roof, and they currently have a direct API connection to Happy Horse 1.0. Here is exactly what you need to do step by step. Do not use your primary personal email for this. Take a secondary public business email. Go to WayinVideo, completely ignore the Google and Apple login buttons, and manually type your email into the address bar. Create a strong password. Hit send code, fetch the verification code from your inbox, and click create your account. The second you log in, you are greeted with a pop-up. Get 200 free credits. Claim them immediately. Now, navigate to the AI video tab on their dashboard. You will see a drop-down menu featuring giants like OpenAI and ByteDance, but we are going to select the brand new Happy Horse 1.0 model. Let's set our parameters for a premium long-form video, 16:9, 720p, and a full 10-second duration. But look at the generation cost. A 10-second generation requires 500 credits. We only have 200. This is the exact moment most normal users give up and close the tab, thinking it's impossible. But this is exactly where our unlimited loop begins. Pay very close attention to this next sequence. On the left side of the WayinVideo dashboard, click on the Rewards tab with the little gift icon. You will see the referral program. Inviting users gives you massive credit drops. We are not going to spam our friends with links. We are going to become our own referrals. Click the share button and copy your unique invitation link. Now, go to the top right of your browser, click the three dots, and open a brand new incognito window. Paste your referral link into the search bar and hit enter. You are now looking at the WayinVideo sign-up page through your own secret referral tracker. Next, look closely at the website I have open on my screen right now. Go to this exact website. It generates instant temporary email inboxes. Copy the temporary email address provided on that screen. Take that email, go back to your incognito WayinVideo tab, and manually sign up using that temporary address. Hit send verification code, fetch that code from the temporary inbox site on your other screen, paste it in, and create the account. As soon as that fresh account is successfully created and you see the 200 welcome credits pop up on that new dashboard, stop. Do not generate a video. Simply close that entire incognito window. Erase it completely. Now, switch back to your main browser window where your original account is logged in. Hit refresh, look at the rewards dashboard. Your invite counter just went from 0 to 1, and those bonus credits have been instantly deposited into your main account. This is the golden loop. You simply repeat this exact process. Open a fresh incognito window, paste your invite link, grab a new temporary email from the site on screen, verify, and close. Because you are using incognito mode and temporary addresses, the system registers each one as a unique valid user. Within a matter of minutes, you can effortlessly stack 500, 1,000, or even 3,000 credits on your main account without hitting any limits. Let's put those hard-earned credits to use and prove this works flawlessly. We are heading back to the AI video generator. Happy Horse 1.0 is selected, 16:9 aspect ratio, 720p resolution. I am going to paste in a highly dynamic prompt to push this AI to its absolute limits. I am hitting generate, and I want you to notice the API processing speed here. Notice that WayinVideo has an enhanced prompt mode feature running in the background. It automatically takes your base text and restructures it perfectly for the AI's architecture, ensuring the lighting, camera angles, and atmospheric effects are dialed up to the absolute maximum. Despite being a massive, heavy-duty model, the generation is incredibly fast, and the video is ready. Just look at this masterpiece. The snow physics, the dynamic interaction between the tires and the icy surface, the lens flare from the golden hour sun. It is completely photorealistic. The motion is butter smooth. Happy Horse 1.0 is legitimately leaving the competition in the dust. But here is the absolute best part. The real reason this trick is going to save your channel. Look closely at the corners of the generated video. Look at the entire frame. There is zero watermark, none. You can download this raw, pristine MP4 file straight to your hard drive, and it is completely clean and ready to be dropped straight into your timeline for a high-retention edit. This is the ultimate workflow for unlimited watermark-free generations. I highly recommend you start using this immediately to build up your B-roll libraries before the developers catch on and patch this system. To help you guys get started instantly, I've left my initial invite link in the description below. Sign up through that to grab your first batch of free credits, and then start running your own referral loops to get unlimited access. If this unlimited trick just saved your workflow and your wallet, absolutely destroy that like button. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications turned on, because I am constantly hunting down these hidden AI exploits, and you do not want to be late to the next one. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.